Market cap is $2.168 trillion. And now the market, oh, it went to zero. So
Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates, and let's see कि आज हमारी खबरों में क्या चल रहा है. But before we do that, smash the like button if you like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't want to lose money like the Squid Games people, do have a mentor, follow a YouTuber so you know which coins you always have to buy and which ones you shouldn't buy. Otherwise, you're gonna lose money like the guy just did in the intro. So be careful guys, there's a lot of coins that look amazing but they really aren't. So you really have to be careful in these markets to identify which investments are going to give you returns and which investments could just become zero. So you have to be very alert. So let's start with our news. So one big news that we have is that big institutions have entered the markets. And उसके अंदर सबसे पहले we have McDonald's. So McDonald's ने बनाई एक NFT which is a McRib NFT. This is their NFT. Actually anybody can participate and it's for free. आपके पास सिर्फ Ethereum का एक wallet होना चाहिए. बेशक it's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, whichever Ethereum wallets you like to use. जब आपके पास वो सब हो जाएगा तो you just have to participate in it, and if you are a lucky winner you'll get this McRib NFT. Similar news coming from Burger King as well. Shocking to know कि आजकल ये food chain की जो बड़ी restaurant chains हैं, they also want to participate and be part of this trend and this hype that we have in the world these days. So Burger King is doing something different, not exactly what McDonald's did. So Burger King क्या कर रहा है कि if you spend anything about $5 in the US, so they're gonna keep you in a preliminary form of Dogecoin. The company announced on Monday a few lucky customers will have the opportunity to win a whole Bitcoin or Ethereum. Users must register with Robinhood Crypto to receive the rewards. So basically Burger King has made a partnership with Robinhood, and with Robinhood they are gonna be offering, if somebody buys anything worth $5 of Dogecoin, they can participate in a lucky draw in which they will be able to win one whole Bitcoin or one whole Ethereum. So a lot of these companies are now trying to make an interaction with their customers because obviously this is part of their marketing tools, and whenever new trends comes in the industry, in this world, all the companies try to market the same narrative to their customers so they can relate to it and they can keep having repeat sales, because in marketing the most important thing is repeat sales. You want the same customer to be keep buying, and over a period of time he becomes a loyal consumer of yours. Anyways, और देखते हैं खबरों में क्या चल रहा है. So Coinbase acquires Indian AI startup to improve customer service. Co-founded by Coinbase head of operations in India, Agra helps Coinbase with customer service using AI and machine learning. So as we all know, दुनिया के सबसे सस्ते और सबसे अच्छे customer services and call centers are made in India, and India makes a lot of money, almost about $80 billion in its GDP a year from just selling its IT services to the West. So another big step forward for Coinbase, because obviously you have to be at the best places to get best services to make your exchange one of the best exchanges in the world. So another very bullish news, especially for our neighbor from India, and I expect a lot of jobs coming in India with this news, and it could also be an economic booster and also a learning phase for new Indian entrepreneurs. अब हम चलते हैं सैंडबॉक्स को देखते हैं. आजकल हर जगह एक ही बात हो रही है, NFT gaming, NFTs. But honestly, if I tell you, this is not the right time to buy those tokens, because I bought them in the bear markets. I expected metaverse कुछ बन जाएगी दुनिया में, इन सब के कुछ ना कुछ incentive होंगे आगे ज़िंदगी में, and a lot of people at that time actually didn't believe in it. तो अगर आप believe नहीं करते थे उस वक्त आपने ये चीज़ें खरीदी नहीं. आज ये चीज़ें 100x 200x हो रही हैं, so you have no returns. What's happening is that retailer investor FOMOs, और वो भी FOMO करके tops buy करता जा रहे हैं, and we can see even in Shiba went up, then now is sideways. Same for Mana token and some other tokens as well. So overall, why these tokens are booming? Because they're getting a lot of money funded to them from different VCs, different institutions. So same thing happening here. SoftBank Vision Funds 2 led the 93 million Series B round, making the funds the first investment into crypto assets. Sandbox raises 93 million to expand its NFT metaverse. So a lot of money has been coming into Sandbox, a lot of money has been coming into Mana, there's a lot of money coming to XC Infinity, Wilder Worlds, Starlink, Star Atlas, There's so many coins when it comes to gaming industry. There's he metaphors that's with the, I think, sponsored by Gate.io. So there's a lot of games right now, especially in Polygon network as well. Almost all blockchains have some games coming in the shorter or longer term very soon. Avalanche creates 200 million funds to lower top crypto developers. The 200 million fund aims to foster growth and innovation on Avalanche networks. अब Avalanche के अंदर phase 2 आने वाला है, जिसके अंदर Avalanche will be making its own NFT marketplace, will be issuing NFT smart contracts and a lot more. So a lot of people keep asking me, हमारे पास AVAX है, and I'm also a huge promoter of AVAX. So I keep telling them hold the AVAX, because as these projects get deployed, they get implemented, and a consumer adoption happens, obviously in सबकी prices बहुत skyrocket चली जाएंगी. We've seen the same thing already happen in Solana. So if somebody doesn't believe that other layer ones will pump as well, you really need to look into Solana and learn a lesson from Solana. Upcoming parachain auction sends Polkadot to a new all-time high, while CHR and Theta follow. So mainly जितने भी Polkadot के ecosystem में coins हैं, they're really pumping and doing really well at this moment. And Polkadot just made a new all-time high in the last 24 hours. So congratulations to Polkadot's team, especially one of my mentors, the owner of Polkadot, David. So I really hope that finally the dreams the guy had when he coded Ethereum, now we're actually seeing slowly his Kusama's project been doing well, his Polkadot's project has been doing well. So we really hope that Gavin Wood would have something amazing in his life to come and give us more technology that we can make this world a better place. So crypto project Squid Game got popular despite spelling error, scammers. This is basically trying to say they were scammers. In its white paper, this morning, the price of the project Squid token took a wild ride from $40 to 2,800 back to 0.003 according to the data from Coinmarketcap. What happened was, इनके जो developers say, they just left the project and they cashed out all the money, and now the people that are stuck with Squid Games, best of luck, your money's gone, bro, it's burned. So Facebook, the largest social network, just announced its rebranding to Metaverse and went on a mass of hiring spree, about 10,000 employees in EU. So we can already see that Facebook is coming very heavy, and they're going to be doing some massive investment when it comes to Metaverse, especially in employing, making their artificial intelligence, and also I heard they've been paying very highly to developers as well, so they can keep like a high niche of developers working for Facebook specifically and not working on any other projects. Another big news that came from America late hours yesterday, that was Biden's administration stablecoins could transform the way Americans pay for everything. This is a massive news coming from Biden administration, showing us a significant sign that maybe USDT's adoptions could become rapid in the next few days, and we might see that America as a country itself will start using USDT to even pay for your bills at Walmart or anything else, or like maybe eating a burger at Burger King and participating for that Ethereum and Bitcoin that you could get. Or oops, that was just for Dogecoin. So maybe you can use your Dogecoin as a stable coin and win some participations. So yeah, that's all for the news. Let's see what's happening in our charts and technicals today. So guys, let's see कि हम लोगों के कॉइन मार्केट कैप में क्या चल रहा है, so we can understand what's happening in our technicals for today. तो अगर BTC की डोमिनेंस को देखें, BTC डोमिनेंस at 44.1, इथेरियम की डोमिनेंस को देखें तो it's at 19.4. What we've noticed is कि BTC dominance had a slight reversal over the last day, and Ethereum dominance has been completely sideways for the last 2-3 days. We haven't been seeing much pumps or dumps in Ethereum's dominance. It's just been stagnant, just been in one zone, and it's just been chilling. अगर हम द ग्लोबल क्रिप्टो मार्केट कैप को देखें तो इट्स एट 2.71 ट्रिलियन. दैट्स एन इंक्रीज ऑफ 1.98 increase over the last day. So obviously money flow is increasing in the markets, and we've noticed that the market was sideways throughout the weekend. Even yesterday was quite a quiet day in the markets, considering it was a Monday, but now we can see the market has already started to pump. And here we go, it's at 63, so market's back up. A great news. Finally, I was quite worried in the last 24 hours because we were creating higher lows, and that was a very dangerous sign. We're making lower highs, lower lows, and that would bring us back into a bearish pattern, which nobody ever wants. Everybody want to stay in the bull run. So अगर हम लोग ओवरऑल मार्केट को देखें तो मार्केट is gonna be obviously a big smack, because we already know BTC has started pumping and BTC dominance has increased slightly as well. We can expect a bit of blood here there in our altcoins, but overall if we try to understand, so I think it will pick up once Bitcoin has decided where it's gonna go next. अभी तक decided नहीं था, and Bitcoin wasn't even going anywhere. I was here for the last, I think, 12 days, last world days we just spent in 61, 59, 60, 62, and it was just been sideways in these zones. There was not much gains. So overall अगर हम लोग देखें, it's been like a mixed bag, like I assumed it's gonna be. तो हम लोग 24 में देख लेते हैं कि 24% में कौन विनर्स हैं. तो हमारे विनर हैं सैंडबॉक्स 48%, अमेजिंग गेन्स, इंजन कॉइन 23%, ऑडियो इज़ अप 24%, CHZ चिल्स इज़ अप 15%, डिसेंट्रलैंड इज़ अप 8%, हॉट इज़ अप 14%, पोल्का डॉट इज़ अप 11%, and Kusama is also up. Obviously both are Gavin Wood's project, they both work parallel. 59 पे we are finally seeing one of my favorite projects, AR as well, is pumping. तो मेनली देखें तो इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ NFT बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड मेटावर्स बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स. आई एम सेइंग इट अगेन गाइस, डोंट फोमो इनटू दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स नाउ. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड बेयर मार्केट एंड यू कैन बाय ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ very cheap in the bear market, so don't worry, don't FOMO and get into these coins now. तो if we look at this, so इसमें हमारी layer 1s हैं, Phantom है, Harmony 1 है, XDC network है, Waves है, Mina है. So basically small layer 1s are getting affected right now, or even big ones. Oh my god, Cardano तो लग रहा है कि Cardano doesn't know where to bull run. Cardano has been sideways or in correction mode for a very long time. So Thorchain is down, pumped a lot yesterday. Alright, so a mix of layer 1s, layer 2s and some gaming tokens as well are in a recovery mode. So let's see Greed kitni hai market mein aaj. So Greed is at 73 and yesterday was at 74. So we haven't really seen a big pump yet, and I expect that's going to be happening today because we've already seen ke BTC ne ek pump already bana liya hai.
And billions and billions and billions and billions and billions.
It's been a while, we haven't visited the calendar, so we must do that too. अब 2 November को कोटी की मेन नेट रिलीज है, expect some pumps while that. Polka City has been doing pretty well. Polka City is another NFT gaming based token, and it has an NFT game release on 31st December 2021. Polka City is doing pretty well. Then there's Baby George, there's Polka Bridge, Polka City, Polka Starter. This is all from Polka Starter projects. Everrise, I don't really know. Qcoin लिस्टिंग हो रही है, TrueFi की, Dream Quest, Potherium. What else? There's nothing any special coin. तो हम लोग second page पे भी जाके देख लेते हैं, because you know it's the beginning of the month. We might see some big event coming on any big coin. You never know. For parachain events, I know it's gonna be on 4th November. So if you do have any Polkadot, you have to be very careful. We might experience buy the news, sell the rumor kind of an incident, because it happens quite often nowadays. Alright, mainly if we look at it, तो Polkadot, Polka City और इस टाइप के ही प्रोजेक्ट्स की रिलेटेड इवेंट्स वगैरह चल रहे हैं. VeChain का है 5th November. VeChain have a massive event. Aave has a massive event coming as well. चलें चार्ट्स देखते हैं. Let's see what's happening in our chart. So just like I discussed right now, okay, Ethereum की dominance has been sideways. We can see here clearly that it's been sideways. BTC की डोमिनेंस को देख लेते हैं, cause it's the player right now of the moment. हमें पता है इसने रिवर्सल मार लिया है. So here's the reversal, a very nice reversal by इसकी dominance, BTC's dominance. Let's look at the man of the moment. Finally we have come out from this descending channel or falling wedge, and now we are back into the zones where we want to be, above 63k. Let's see whether we'll go up to our 67k target. Most probably if we look at the bull flag and all those targets, so we're expecting somewhere about 67-70,000 coming next. Ethereum को भी देख लेते हैं. Ethereum also is making some nice moves, and Ethereum is almost there. It's this bull cycle's all-time high and testing those zones again, so we expect another new all-time high coming in Ethereum any moment. AXS भी pump कर रहे हैं. AXS has been having some nice movements up and down, been sideways as well, but has consolidated and has come up from its previous highs to latest time. तो अब ये basically 130s के अंदर ट्रेड करना शुरू हो गया. Last time it used to be 119, 120, 10 up, $10 above its last previous zones. So one level up for that. Solana is doing pretty well. AVAX looks alright as well. FTM is again pumping. FTM yesterday broke out a trend, was a bit of concern, but we can see it's kind of testing trend, haven't really broken out, so have to be patient with FTM. Dot को देखते हैं. Dot2 made an all-time high. That's Dot's new all-time high 51.30. So great news, and now it's going back up. Obviously this was a fib range as well, I'll show you that. So ये इसकी fib की range थी, obviously got rejected from that fib range, so it's gonna make a higher low and now obviously go back up into uptrend. Link is also pumping at this moment. Luna is in correction mode. Uni's been very disappointing throughout this bull run. Koti is also in correction right now. GRT is already now $1. Matic is also pumping right now. Mina is good. Ray alright. Let's check out Thorchain. So Thorchain alright, consolidating in those highs. QTUM also has been pumping massively over the last few days. We can see this nice uptrend here, and most coins we can see this aspect, you know. I'll show you now. We'll see the same thing in Mana as well. Oh sorry, that's Mbox. Similar thing you saw there also, and you see Mana similar. You'll see this in all coins bad, because all these coins pump together. Even Shiba, we will see something like this. There you go. In Shiba also we're seeing, and what happened was most people are buying these tops, and all these tops, you know. They are failing to get them from these bottoms, because if you bought here and you sold here, great profit. Or even if you hold from here, you know, this bottom didn't come back again yet. So I don't know, people don't wait for pullbacks, they FOMO and they just get into projects however they feel like, you know. But you shouldn't do that. That's a very bad practice. It will cost you one day very bad and you'll make massive losses. So अब हम BTC को final देख लेते हैं. So my final prediction for BTC will be that we're going to be going towards somewhere about 67 to 70,000 in the next 24 hours, as we finally seen the markets are pumping and doing well. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're stuck in any trade, you need help, or you want to figure out what to do next, you can contact me on Twitter and Instagram. The descriptions are given in the link below. So that's all, guys. Take care and bye bye.